So the current voter turnout is at 27.65%. That's the latest numbers given by the Election Commission as of 11 a.m. And as we get you all of these images, all of the highlights of phase 1 of polling, I want to take this across to Maushmi Singh. She's joining us live from Saran district. She has with her Rajiv Pratap Rudy. So I'm quickly handing it over to Maushmi.
Ankit. Right, Akshita, we are here in Amnor, and you can see that Rajiv Pratap Rudy and his best half, is right here to cast their vote. So it's a big day for all the voters and big day for you. And of course, Atisha, his daughter, is also right here. The full family has come. All the women of the house also came.
The elder daughter voted in the morning, right, and she left back for Delhi. And this is Bihar. She voted at 7 a.m., 8 a.m. She left for Patna, she caught a flight and she landed in Delhi by 11 o'clock. This is Bihar, which the whole country should know, and I'm 100 kilometers away from Patna. So the beautiful roads, electricity, air connectivity and so forth.
And we've also seen you monitoring bit by bit, minute by minute, what's happening in every booth.
Yes, I have to
in
get
every
back to my control room. Every booth has to be monitored. The crisis begins after 2 o'clock when things go haywire in Chhabra. So that is the critical time. I have to be with my people,
right,
catching up with them.
So that's why he's voting at noon. And of course, ma'am is here. Ma'am, sir, just wait for a while. Ma'am, women power is being said that it could be a game changer. The women are very decisive. Would you urge other voters to also come out and vote?
Since women have started voting in Bihar in full strength, especially with Nitish Ji's policies, which are pro-women, so you see that there is a very big participation, and it's very, very good for any place where women and men both vote and create a life for themselves.
Right, and of course she has been the pillar for you, sir. And I'll speak to Atisha also. Atisha, what would you urge the youth voters? Would you tell them to vote? And
I think now youth voters are already very motivated because they are seeing the change to what they have heard from what has been passed down from generations to when there was no electricity, it was Jungle Raj, it was so many things. So it's a story that's been passed on to what a new Bihar they see, and that's what they're motivated to vote for.
Are you a first-time voter?
No, and this is my third time voting. Voted twice for my father and now Vidhan Sabha, first time.
Okay, I'm voting for Vidhan Sabha. Sir, you know, they say that it's going to be a tough fight. It's a 50-50 contest. And are you worried about Saran?
Absolutely no. And the people have made up their mind. You can see it on their faces. I don't see any other political workers here. So I don't want to say what is happening, but nonetheless, the results are out.
Well, Akshita, you know, this is one of the days when all the netas also queue up to exercise their franchise. And
stand in the queue.
And he's saying he always stands in the queue, and we're seeing that, you know, from all the top brass of either sides, they're coming up to cast their vote. And here we are seeing, even as we stand, a lot of women voters right ahead. So how would you see this? Would it be Bihar?
Okay, so that's Rajiv Pratap Rudy there, in conversation with a lot of the voters as well.